guys, and today I'm giving out the beta for MCPE Mod Locator 2.0, and this update is the complete UI change, the complete overhaul of MCPE Mod Locator, and I've done a couple previews of it, but now I'm finally giving out the beta for you guys to try. There's not a whole lot of content in it because MCPE 0.10.0 isn't actually out yet. There is the 0.10.0 beta, but I'm not putting 0.10.0 mods in here. It's going to be for the final release. So there's not a whole lot of content, but there is skins in it, and you can use the File Explorer to install maps. That all works. So I'm going to be showing it to you guys, and if you want to actually try it for yourself, there's a link in the description. Just download the APK. You don't need to uninstall the other version that you have installed from the Play Store. You don't need to uninstall that. Just go ahead and install the new version. It'll work just like that. And then if you want to go back to the Play Store version, then you will have to uninstall and then reinstall through the Play Store if you want to go back to the Play Store version. So I want to let you guys know exactly how it works. So I'm going to open it up here. And you can see here it says, it's got the welcome screen here, so it says, welcome, thanks for choosing MCPE Mod Locator, so on and so on. You can hit subscribe if you want to subscribe to me on YouTube if you aren't already, and then you can hit continue. Go in here, then you have the placed network or placed program dialog that comes up. You can hit OK there, and then we are at the welcome screen, or the main screen now. So you have your different buttons and stuff here, skins, and not all of this is actually optimized yet for holding it sideways, your device sideways, or large screens. It is pretty much optimized for phones. So if you're using a regular sized phone, then it'll probably look just fine. But if you're using a tablet, you can see here like the buttons all of a sudden on this page are small because it's not completely finalized yet. But at the final release, it will be completely optimized for holding your device, any orientation, and also for large and small devices. So let's go and open the settings up here. I'm going to change my language over to German and show you that there are multiple languages now. And right now it's just, as always, English, Spanish, and German. Well, Spanish and German are new. English has obviously been the same. It's been in there the whole time. But yeah, I've added German and English. So I'm going to open it up here, and you can see, all this stuff is in German. I didn't translate it personally. I had a different translator. So you can see some of this stuff isn't actually translated, like mods, skins, server. There should be servers, I think. But the reason is because not all of these words actually translate into German. Like mods definitely doesn't. Mod scripts doesn't. Apparently patches doesn't. It probably does. I have to keep working on it because not everything is completely translated yet. I'm still working on it. But if I go into like maps here, you can see this stuff is in German. Opening this up here. Nope, that's not. This is in German. These are the seeds and stuff. You can see here. That's all in German, except for the description there. Those aren't in German quite yet. Yeah. Got a little more to do there, but I'm going to switch it back to English because most of us here are English speakers, or at least know of English. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over there so we're all on the same page, Let's give it a second here. There we go. So opening this back up, you can see, like I said, we have skins here, different skins, and these all do work, the downloads and everything. So if I wanted to download this one, hit use. You can see it'll go ahead and automatically ask to import it to Block Launcher, and it'll do that with every single one of these. There might be a few bugs where it wouldn't, but it looks like, as of right now, it is going to be just fine. The ones that are added seem to be working quite well. I don't think it'll work. I don't think it'll work right if you're using Block Launcher free. If you're using Block Launcher free, it'll probably just give you a little toast or one of those little notifications at the bottom of the screen that says, download complete or something like that. So let's go back to maps here. You can see there is the install a map here. So what this does is if you have a map in your downloads folder or any folder on your device, you can just click on that map and it'll install it for you. By default, it'll take you to your downloads folder because that's generally where people store them. And you just click on the zip file. You don't click on the folder. It'll actually unzip it for you, move it to the games directory, the Minecraft folders, the Minecraft folder, the worlds directory, and it'll delete the zip file for you, which is pretty cool. So going up here, you can see you can scroll through all the files and stuff that are on your phone. Hey, look at there. And it's got the transparent look that the rest of the app has. So yeah. So let's go back to seeds here. You can see we have it like that. pictures here. Pictures there. So hit copy seed, and then you can go ahead. I'm just going to paste it into here. Oops, dang it. Annoyingness. Okay. And that was the seed for that one. So let's go back and see. It said seed Ubercraft. Copy seed. See, it'll do that. So that's a nice new feature with seeds and stuff, because I had seeds originally and then I took them out because I didn't have a great way of doing it. But now I've redone it, so that's how it'll be in the upcoming update here. Texture packs, you can select what version you're using, and then there would be texture packs there. Same with mods, but there's not a whole lot of stuff out yet, so obviously there's not, because the final release hasn't even happened yet. So yeah, that is MCPE Mod Locator 2.0. Download is in the description if you want to check it out. It's also on my website, where I probably will be updating it a little more frequently, as well as Facebook and Twitter. I will be probably posting more builds and stuff there. So yeah, if you want to check it out, like I said, link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.